Yes, you all are fine? Okay, I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today we are going to learn in a garden, and this topic is from your picture words book, page number 20. Okay, so let's start. In a garden. So tell me, students, when you go to garden or you go to park, okay, with your mummy or papa or your friends or your brother, sister, cousins, what all things you see in the garden? आप जब गार्डन जाते हो मम्मी पापा कज़न्स भाई बहन के साथ या दादा दादी के साथ, तो आप गार्डन में क्या क्या चीज़ें देखते हो? What all things do you see in the garden? ओके, आप झूला देखते हो. ओके, शिवाजी आप बोलो, आप क्या देखते हो गार्डन में? ओके, डस्टबिन होता है. यस, मकरंद एंड समृद्धि, टेल मी what things do you see in the garden? Ramtej, tell me. So today I will teach you some things and I will show you them. What we all see in the garden. So let's start. This is slide. You love to play slide, correct? Every one of you. Yes? आप लोगों को स्लाइड खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, करेक्ट? इंजॉयमेंट आती है ना खेलते समय? ओके. स्विंग, झूला. किसको किसको पसंद है झूला खेलने? ओके, सबको पसंद है. ओके, वेरी गुड. दिस इज स्विंग. ओके. वाटर कूलर. In the garden, when we are thirsty and we want to drink water, there is even coolers provided in the garden. Yes, filter water cooler. Okay, it filters the water. Dustbin. When we eat anything in the garden or in the park, the used wrappers, okay, waste wrappers, we throw it in the dustbin or we throw anything which is fallen down. Yes, students, we have to keep a city green and clean. So you have to throw it in the dustbin only, the wrappers. Okay? Or any other things. Dog. You will even see dog in the garden. Yes, some of the people bring their dogs in the park for walk. You will see even dogs over there. Birds. You will see many birds in the garden, sitting on tree, sitting on bench, sitting here and there, everywhere. Bushes and flowers. When you go to garden, you will see many bushes in there. Correct? And in that also you will see flowers. All how many of you love flowers? Tell me. Raj Nandini, please tell me. You love flowers? Priyantush? Okay. Let's see next. There are many trees even in the garden. Okay. And then fountain. Some gardens have fountain. Yes? Did you see any time fountain anywhere? How many of you have seen fountain? Okay, many of you. Okay. So this is seesaw. Yes? Do all love to play seesaw? Seesaw will be found in the garden. Bench to sit. Okay? When there are many people who come to garden, and when they are tired, they sit on the bench, or the elder aged one people come to garden meet everyone to each other, and then even they sit on the bench. Everyone sit on the bench. This is what, students, can you tell me? Merry-go-round. When we stand on this, it will move in circular path like this. Okay, so this is called merry-go-round. Okay, and finally, these are monkey bars. Okay, so tell me, who all love to climb on the monkey bars? And tell me also, which garden do you like to go? Yes, Vedant, which garden do you like to go? Tanmay, युवांश, कौन सा गार्डन पसंद है आपको जाने? एंड अगर आप गार्डन जाते हो तो डिस्क्राइब कर दो उसके बारे में. चलो, ओके. अब हम जब मिलेंगे ऑनलाइन क्लास में, तब मैं ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूछने वाली हूँ. यस एवरीवन, विच गार्डन डू यू लाइक टू गो एंड वॉट ऑल थिंग्स यू सी देयर. आपको थोड़े लाइन्स में उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. ओके, I hope you like this. Thank you. Do not forget to comment your name in the comment box and do your homework daily. Thank you.